Okay, this is a video how to edit your notices, and we'll just go ahead and do it. Okay, you'll notice on the notices, editing block, edit an icon, when you select it, it's going to come up with two different places that notices can appear. One is in the flash box, and one is on the left-hand menu for the residents, prospects, family, and friends. Let's start with the flash box. So you want to create a notice in your flash box. It's pretty straightforward. You press, first you go add. You're going to title this, let's just title this is just a text. I'll just put text, okay, in the title. The body of it, we're going to put this is a test. The color of font is going to be black at all times. Now you can do one of two things. You can upload a background image or not. I'm going to go ahead and upload one to show you how that works. So let's say you want to make it between 478 to 260 pixels. It doesn't need to be exact. The system will bend it and shape it to the right size. But essentially you want to make sure it's about the same size as the flash box. And if you need help doing that, let us know and we can help you. But get a picture about that size. You kind of want to make it a white picture or a light color picture because obviously the text is black. And what we'll do is we'll find it here. I think I just grabbed one and I called it flash background. You'll notice it's ready to go and I press save. And that's it. I'm done. If I want to delete any of the other ones, just press delete. Now let's say the Happy Birthdays flash menu needs editing, and I want to add a couple more birthdays on here for November. I just go in here and type it. November 8th, Sally Jones' birthday, and I just press save. And I've gone ahead and I've edited that in the flash box as well. Then you just want to make sure that it worked properly for you. And they'll usually follow up right after the events. So here's your upcoming events, and hopefully the next one that comes around will be one of the notices that you've just posted. So you can see what that looks like. Might take a minute. But anyway, it'll rotate through, and then you'll start to see your notices. You might have to wait a second to make sure they're in there. But while we're waiting for that, I'll show you how the other one works. So these are notices now that you want to have show up on the left-hand side menu. There's nothing to say that you can't do the same notice in both places. Let's say this one is still applicable, but this notice is not applicable anymore because it's past Wednesday. I want to delete it. I just select delete and I press OK. And now you'll notice that that other notice is gone, and I want to add a notice. I simply press add. And it's going to ask me what date do you want to start this notice to be posted. And I want it, let's say today's the 15th, and I want it posted straight away. I can just go ahead and type it in here. This is my notice. And the first thing I want to do is maybe make it a little bit larger. So I can go to font here, the type of font, and I want Verdana and the size. Let's say I want it medium size, then I want to bold it, I want to italicize it, I want to underline it, and maybe I want to change the color of the font to orange or blue it looks like. I highlighted it to blue, and I want to change the font to whatever color that is. And my point is you can do a lot of things in creating your particular notice. If you have a long paragraph that you want to copy and paste, you can do that. If you want to add, a little cute little smiley face, you can do that. And then anyway, when you're done with your notice, you just press save. And it's posted. It's really that simple. So let's see if we can go back and check on the notice that was in the flash box. That's an older notice. It's up there. But that's how you update notices.